All right, guys, we got another special one. 1987 Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. If you know, it was only 200 built in 1986, and a little over 6,000 was built in 87. It has a direct link to NASCAR. Without NASCAR, we wouldn't have this production model. With guys like Terry Labonte and Dale Earnhardt Sr. both winning Winston Cups and Monte Carlo SS's. You know, Dale Earnhardt's first Monte Carlo was a Wrangler jeans sponsored Monte Carlo. And then it eventually became a Good Wrench sponsored Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. These cars are bad, guys. All right, I got a treat for you guys today. We're gonna take this 1987 Monte Carlo SS for a short drive up the road. Gonna see how she rides. And she is available here at Rolling Museums. All right, guys, we back. It's gonna be a short drive up the road to the other building. Yeah, guys, there she is in all her glory. Monte Carlo SS Aerocoupe. Beautiful.